Hi, I'm Matt. This is Sawdust Passion, and today I'm going to have a go at making a leather book cover. My brother-in-law is turning 40. He's an illustrator and he really likes doodling wherever he is. So I've decided to make him a leather journal. First off, I've designed the template in Illustrator. I'm going to print that off and then use that to cut out the pieces of leather. I'm going to add a stitch just along the inside, just for decoration. Now that's done, I can glue the two pieces in place. I'm going to put a thin layer all the way around the edge. Now that's done, I can hand stitch all the way around the edge. This is going to take a long time. Okay, now that's done, I'm going to add the logo. I've printed it off on paper. I'm going to rub the back, just like we did at school. Then I'm going to put it in place and draw around the edges so I've got something to burn to. Okay, this project is finally done. I'm loving how it's turned out. There's a few little niggles. If I was going to do it again, I'd make the template just that little bit tighter to hold the paper in place. But all in all, pretty pleased with it. If you'd like to have a go yourself, the link to the paper is in the description. If you'd like the template, that's available on my Patreon. In the meantime, please stay safe and follow your passion.